'Tis I, MepMep7, and today we're finally finishing the layout swap series with Grape Juice, which if you don't know, is a series where my friend Grape Juice started a layout, and then passed it on to me, and then I built a part, and then I passed it back to him, and he built a part, and so on. So I guess I'll just hop right in and see what he made. Okay, so in the previous episode I made this little reverse section, followed by a bit of wave spam. Hello. We're going into duel, okay. This is really good gameplay, but quite learny. Oh, like that, okay. That's actually really fun to pull off. Now we're kind of getting a flow feeling to it. I like it. This is very readable. Oh, another duel. Okay. Oh, I love that mirror portal effect. It's cool. And then done looks with those portals under the block. That was really fun. Let's just hop right in and see what we can make. Okay, so what I'd like to start doing here is add like a little mini cube section. So first, let's have a little jump pad to bring you up. Put some spikes over here. I think I'll pulse the background right here to maybe just a white. That might look cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so when I'm making this mini cube, I'm kind of thinking of making kind of like the ending of Decode, just with less memory involved. Okay, so I shrunk down some orbs to kind of fit the whole mini aesthetic of it. I think it looks good. Feels decent to play through. And then what I'm going to do here is add just two little blue jump pads, like that. And then we'll have this lead onto a yellow jump pad. And then that'll launch you pretty high up, so I'm going to add a black orb, add a little spike wall to make you have to hit the black orb. Now you land on this platform with J blocks, so that if you hold, you don't just die. Okay, I think I'm going to add a blue orb here, make you upside down. Alright, and then I'm going to have you jump over a couple of mini spikes here, like that. That shouldn't be too difficult. That's not bad at all. Then I think after this, add another blue orb so that you go back down to the main ground that you were on before. I don't know what I'm saying, just change your gravity back to normal is what I mean. And then I'm gonna add a yellow orb here. And I added just a little staircase here to fit with the music. Okay, right here, the music kind of speeds up, so I'm gonna make you speed up. I'm also gonna make you big here. And then what I wanted to do is just a bunch of like quick, not too hard clicks. So like maybe a dash up here, lead onto a platform here with some spikes on it. And then you jump on off of that, hit a green orb. And then from there, hit a blue orb. And then have you do another jump. Alright, and then right here, the song kind of fades into triplets. So I'm gonna have you go slow and then have you hit blue orbs to the triplets. Yes, that feels really fun to pull off. Okay. Perfect. Okay, I was thinking, I actually haven't added a single UFO part to this whole level, so might as well do that now. Okay, so I want you to hit this pink orb inside of the UFO portal, then go into the yellow portal and kind of click twice out of that, so let me add some indication. And then I'm gonna spike this out. Now I'm gonna have you go into a little corridor here, because I love corridor gameplay. So I think I want you to jump over a spike here, then go under one that is here. And then kind of repeat that throughout. Yeah. That's easy and fun. I enjoy it. I think I'm going to change your gravity back to normal here. Just add a quick little auto section that just flings you with slopes. Yeah, that fits really well with the music. And wait, if I turn on Hitbox Trail, I can make it seem like you're almost gonna die, but then you're not gonna die. How mischievous of me. You go like right next to those hitboxes, but don't actually hit them, so it's fine. Well, the game crashed. I think it's because it couldn't handle the swagginess of my gameplay, but you know. So right here I wanted to do not a memory ball, but a memory ball. So I'll show you what I mean by that. I was kind of thinking of this part from Toe 2, where, you know, it is technically a memory ball. There are fake blocks, there are real blocks, but the real blocks have those little invisible blocks on them and are a different color. So I kind of wanted to have fake blocks and real blocks, with the real ones having the invisible blocks on them. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'll just play my favorite part of this level because I feel like it. Okay, so first I'm going to block this out with the invisible blocks. Okay, so I think I blocked out a fun little memory part. Obviously it's not memory yet, but now I'm going to add all of the fake blocks in, which I have saved as a custom object. Okay, there we go, I added in all of the fake blocks, and a couple of fake orbs here and here, but let's see what it looks like in game. Okay, very readable still. I'm just going to add some ground spikes and then call this section done for now. Okay, here I wanted to add kind of a slower ship section as the song kind of slows down. Okay, so I'm going to block out a little structure here like that, and then add a couple of spikes to it. There we go, and then I'm going to add another one to the ceiling so that you can't just zoom up to the ceiling. Perfect, now we have a little, not too difficult ship corridor. Then you just kind of slowly ease your way up. And then I wanted to add another one that kind of goes down, so block that out. There we go. There's that one, so I'll see how this looks in game. Nice! Alright, and then after the ship, I wanted to have two little cube jumps that get that speed up midway through, because that's what the song wants us to do. Yeah, like that. So let's just see how easy this is to make first. Okay, that's not hard at all. And then right after that, we get into some quick piano. So I wanted to add some faster, kind of easy straight fly. Okay, now this straight fly feels a bit easy, so I'm gonna do a firework and add some red and black orbs to the middle of it. I wanted to have you kind of jump up some platforms here. Alright, I add some platforms that you need to jump up. And now we have the finale, the last part of the level. I wanted you to kind of slowly descend these stairs. Descended the staircase. We're at the last part of the level, so we're gonna have you go straight down here. And if you'll notice, we are at half-speed Minikube, which gives us the perfect opportunity for a frame perfect. Alright, so let's try this ending. You love to see it. So with the level finally being done, let's get in to the final showcase.